Isitha, pooh, has a secret, something you were never meant to know, something they would never teach you esikoleni. Sanibonani, ngiyengizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu mnyama, uyayazi whipping boy? Awuyazi? Asiqale. Wait, before siqala, let's go back and reread history yethu. Understand ukuthi between 1500 no 1867 historians estimate that 12.5 million Africans were forcefully taken from icontinent yabo yase-Africa through isigqila trade. Understand ukuthi 10% to 15% of labo bantu abathathwa, some of them were unalived. Understand ukuthi in the Middle Passage alone about 1.5 to 2 million people baphoswa elwandle or bancishwa ukudla or bashawa. That leading them ukuthi ba-unalive bengakayibonisha iland yase-Europe. And amongst those millions kwakhona ngisho abashana ngwana. Once upon a time, there was a small boy. Sizombiza nguMandla. Understand ukuthi uMandla grew up in Africa, the land of milk and honey. Everything yayitholakala wedlalela esihlahleni, running in the fields. Him and his family grew up perfectly bejabulele. Nothing was wrong at that time. Suddenly, one day, strangers were seen on their land, and uMandla did not understand ukuthi kwenzekalani. Little did he know ukuthi these strangers are about to change impilo yakhe forever. Suddenly, things started to change. These settlers started coming to our communities abo and started taking our community members. And so umndeni wakaThemba and everyone decided to take their things and run. They ran and ran, running from our settlers, knowing very well ukuthi lama settlers, they want to take them by force. Unfortunately, we all know ukuthi Isitha they were able to capture uMandla abathathe on a long voyage besuke Africa by Europe. And when they got to Europe, they were separated. Ama-adults athathwa hamba wodwa, and then Ngwana was taken, especially uMandla. This is where our story begins for uMandla. Understand ukuthi instead of ukuthi athathwe ayodayiswa to go do free labor, uMandla was the chosen one. Wathathwa wahanjiswa waya kwi-royal house, kwathiwa nope, usezohlala la. Unlike most yabantu, uMandla wathathwa wabekwa side to side nePrince, kwathiwa bazokhula ndawonye, eating the same food, learning the same things. uMandla would be a representation yePrince. And so uMandla grew up in the royal house, getting the best level of education. He knew how to read, he knew how to write, he understood the ins and outs of being with royal family. But there was a catch. uMandla was the chosen one. Understand ukuthi they separated uNgwana by obedience. Understand ukuthi Ngwana, who showed silence instead of resistance, intelligence instead of fear, and stillness instead of rage, was marked. Kwathiwa lo uhlakaniphile, lo siyamthatha sizomkhulisa in the royal house. Understand ukuthi British and Europe traders kept ama-logs ayebatshena ukuthi i-age, i-height, i-gender, ne-price yaNgwana. Understand ukuthi ababela ko 80 to 12 babedayiswa with imali engango 20 to 30 euros during 1700s. So lento yabo of taking Ngwana in Africa to go live with them in the royal house in Europe or Britain yaqhubeka throughout history. Understand ukuthi by the 17th century, European royal households quietly owned black free laborers. Yes, understand ukuthi they did not work in the fields laba abanjengoMandla, kodwa bona they were called free laborers. Yes, they were dressed well, fed enough, yes, and kept indoors. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi Isitha did not do this out of their goodness of their hearts. Understand ukuthi royal families yase-Europe nase-Britain believed ukuthi princes could not be, yes, zazingathintwa. And so the belief was simple ukuthi the royal body is sacred, bona baqhamuka from uNkulunkulu himself. And so the solution to fix lezo zinto was a whipping boy. Yini whipping boy? Understand ukuthi a whipping boy was ingwana who was raised alongside the prince, educated with the prince, but also was punished for the prince. Every single mistake eyayenziwa i-prince at the royal house kwakudonswa i-whipping boy, ishinduku. Understand ukuthi as umuntu omnyama you were chosen to represent the prince. So from the time eyingane until he becomes an adult, every single mistake kuzobizwa wena ishinduku. But they don't tell you this esikoleni. They don't teach lento le. It's a secret.